we're playing a game about babies today. Trips.
A sweet baby game, like feed them and change their diapers.
Fuck no, crying, miserable, fucking eye patch baby. That's what we're streaming. Fucking
eye patch baby sounds cool.
eye patch baby. Okay, so we're playing The Binding of Isaac. Afterbirth. I'm gonna say it again. Afterbirth. And it's about babies. And it's a game about babies. If you haven't heard of this game, it's amazing. It's fucking bullet hell. Okay. Ooh, straight up golden door. What do I got here? Mom's perfume. Oh, I am fucked. I don't even know what kind of hearts I have. So basically the premise of the game is not to die. I'm playing as Cain. And Cain is amazing. Because, okay, so bombs. I don't know how to fucking do bombs. Okay, whatever. I got a key. That's a piece of shit. I just literally killed a piece of shit with baby tears. And I have one eye, because I'm a baby. Ooh, I can open that without having to worry about a key. Oh, shit. Okay. You want to put out the flames? Because you never know. Like, you know, you don't want Smokey the Bear shit, right?
Remember, only you can prevent forest fires.
This game is interesting, phenomenal. It's about babies.
It's not. No,
Bro, oh, whoa, shit. Fucking evil flame. Well, fuck you.
Explain the premise of Isaac.
So Isaac is a baby that, like, his mom is super religious, and apparently God told her that she had to kill her baby Isaac.
But when the Lord talks to me, I obey him. It's just that simple. There's nothing more to it.
Isaac ran away and jumped into a toy chest. But see, this isn't Isaac. Well, technically it is Isaac, but he's in costume. His mom is very religious.
Yeah, that fish is coming! That fish is coming! And the first one that comes up, open its mouth, and your blessing will be in its mouth, saith the Lord. Hallelujah! The first thing that happens, that's it! Woo! Hallelujah.
And so he's pretending to be Cain. Not the wrestler, but biblical times Cain. Oh no! Burning baby melted fetuses! Oh my god, they're scared of the perfume that's in my tears. That's right, I squirted myself in the eye with my mom's fucking perfume, and now I make babies scared. Welcome to fucking Isaac, everybody. Who's the first boss gonna be today? The Haunt! Why? I don't know. Because this is my life, and my life is miserable in the morning. Alright. Okay, that's one. Can't let him overrun. Oh shit, I forgot these guys throw bloody tears at you! Yeah, bloody tears, because that's the thing. Now we fight the Haunt. He likes to vomit on me. Ah, you piece of shit! I don't even know how many lives he has. I forgot how many lives Cain starts out with.
I don't know, but he looks like a penis to be like.
Ah! Fuck you, Haunt! Piece of shit.
This is wow.
And I'm dead. You know what? It's been a while since I played. I'm gonna have to exit, and we're gonna pick someone else. When have I ever fucking put our quality at fucking this time of morning sleep not having?
That's actually your best work, but
I don't want to hear your lies. Why do you feel the need to lie to me?
it makes you happy.
I will fight you. Have we not gone over this? What's up, Koopa? I'm not as good as Koopa, because Koopa's a master at this game.
You know what Koopa's also the master of?
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
It's a game called Mario Kart.
I want to hear about your Mario Kart lies. Yeah, what's stronger than fucking tears? Bloody fucking vomit. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, and I can fly? Oh yeah, you like that? You like that, you stupid tampon worms? Ah, bitch!
Fucking bitch, fucking bitch, fucking bitch, bitch.
No, not gluttony! Oh yeah, you also have to fight the deadly sins. Like fucking gluttony! Right here. And now gluttony's dead. And I have a key. The fool. And all the flies. You get some of that, and... Fuck, it's too early in the morning. My hand-eye coordination is shot. We've already talked about this.
Right.
Stompy! Stompy!
Nice hair.
I have beautiful lioness hair right now. Now I can do this and step on rocks, and I'm super cool. Yeah, be jealous. Fucking ribs and Dr. Pepper 10. stomping it. Stompy stomp. Shit! I forgot about that. My bad. My bad. Ow.
What happened?
You know what? Stay out of this. It's between me and Azazel and my mirror buddy and my mom. Yeah, oh yeah, you're ultimately you're trying to get there and kill your mom. Yeah, that's how cool this game is. What's up, Mom? Monstro with one-eyed little monsters that are gone. Eat a dick, Monstro. Can't you, like, don't you die to Monstro a lot?
I died at everything.
Oh, shit.
I tried this game and I tried to get somewhere.
Devil up, Mom's underpants, range up, yes. Devil deals. Well, you got a problem with that? Like, I'm gonna take the Harbingers, and I got a little shade. Oh, you kidding me? It cost me that much? Really? Really? You stupid! Ah! Ah!
Loud noises!
The Duke of Flies. That was easy. Fucking coat hanger. Fucking coat hanger.
No wire hanger!
Oh, the dark one. I need at least way more than one life to fight his ass.
Bad. The one that rides the broomstick. Oh, yeah, take the nap after he runs.
Quit running, you shit! Fuck me. Okay, come on, Dan. You're better than this shit. You're better than this. You're better than the fucking Gap, Dan.
2 seconds later.
Oh, no, you're not. Alright, that's it. It's over. It's done. Oh, Ragman. Not Rag and Bone Man. Then I would be happy. Quit throwing your stupid fucking heads at me.
You beat him with half a heart, so you don't suck. And you got breakfast, and so now you have 2 hearts.
I love your optimism. I really do. I really do. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get to Mom.
Okay. And Mom's a real cunt.
Well, theoretically, once I have enough power up, she's not as bad as, you know. Kind of feel like Isaac deserves it right now.
Isaac deserves a win.
Isaac deserves a fucking hanger to the face.
Aww. Taking Mom's side?
At this point, yes. Have you played this game? Okay.
The whole idea is to help Isaac away from the evil televangelist loving mother, not her.
She makes a good point, all I'm saying. Isaac's a little shit. You knew what you were getting yourself into. What? I know, I used it. It made me angry. Look at my face. That's what it did. It's a book that tells me Santa Claus isn't real. Does that make you happy?
Santa Claus is dead. No!
Yes! He crashed his sleigh right into a wall because he was drinking a lot. What? It was a twisted, fiery wreckage of sleigh, reindeer bones, and the old fat bastard's guts.
Oh, fuck my life. Fuck this. Oh, shit! You know, I said Santa Claus wasn't real and Krampus shows up. That's how this works. Fuck! Ah!
That's pretty handy. You're not gonna keep the dead head of Krampus?
No, I'm gonna keep the Book of Belial because it makes me angry and gives me longer anger and power up. Pestilence. Seems to have lost his head. Goodbye, Pestilence. Cube of meat! The Fallen. Shit. Come on, come on. Yeah, because I got the Book of Belial. Oh shit! Oh. Yeah, no, I don't want razor blades. I will take that, though. The Whore of Babylon. I am the Whore of Babylon. No, you wouldn't. I'm gonna try to combo that with the Book of Belial. It's a game about babies! It's called the NFL Concussion Protocol. That's what happens. Ah, fuck the screaming babies! And then the floating baby torsos. This is just glory, isn't it? It's a game about babies! I bet you everybody that was watching is like, why?
Why was this game made? Why did he play?
I've lost respect for this guy.
I'm not sure that it would go that far.
I think they went that far.
Think so?
Yep.
I haven't seen a store yet. You have a lot of coins.
I knew. I'm kind of concerned about that myself. Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck!
Speed down.
And I'm no longer a whore.
Fine. You are not a whore. But you are wearing a whore's uniform. I'll tell you that shit right now.
Did you say there's no washing that off? Okay. Just clarify. Here we go. Brownie! You see this, right? That's corn. That's fucking corn. It's a dual boss fight, too, so I have to beat him and the next one. That's fucking corn! Oh, ho, 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 ho. That got nice. Mom! Stop it, Mom! Mom! Stop! I'm telling Dad! What's this, bitch? Ow! Fucking whore. Oh, shit! Quit trying to step on me, you whore! Fuck her!
You were backing her 10 minutes.
Well, she wasn't trying to step on my face 10 minutes ago. You know what?
What you gonna pick? Dark life or light life?
The Polaroid.
Just jumped into a butthole.
I did just open the butthole.
One more for you.
One more for the Chippa.
One more for you.
Sacred womb.
You.
But she has some fucking polyps in this womb. If you have fucking mommy issues, this is the game for you.
And if you don't have mommy issues, you will by the time you're done playing.
Yeah, I agree with that. You're gonna need a lot of counseling when this shit's over. Wonder why I haven't played it in a year. Oh, shit. Oh, look at these. Look at... I died. Well, that was a decent run.
Not bad.
What'd you think?
I think you did great.
I did beat Mom, and that was my one promise.
You
So,
did.
alright, guys. Fuck it, I'm out! Ribs!